What's up, my Pacific Northwest enthusiasts? So it is the beginning of wildflower season here, and that means the hills along the eastern side of the Columbia River Gorge should be littered with blooming wildflowers. And that brings me to the 7 Mile Hill Loop Trail in Oregon, where we should have a really nice display of blooming wildflowers. Plus, it is pretty clear out, so we should have a fantastic view of Mount Hood, and of course a view overlooking the Columbia River Gorge. So really excited about this hike. Now, when I say view, you guys know what that means. I got my drone with me, so hoping to get some really nice shots. And I'm also excited because I finally adjusted some of the settings on the drone, and I also got some PD filters for the lens. So the footage should be a lot crisper, cleaner, just overall better quality. So I'm excited about seeing the drone footage today. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. All right, guys, you don't want to miss it. Pacific Northwest, let's get going. All right, guys, I made it to the top of 7 Mile Hill. Gonna take a little break up here, have a snack. I'm also going to break out the drone and hopefully get some nice shots. There's just a beautiful view of Mount Hood right behind me, really clear. So hopefully the drone picks up some nice shots, and yeah, let's check it out. right, guys, so found this really beautiful creek right off of the trail, but I'm almost back to the trailhead, so that is it for the video. 7-mile loop trail, awesome hike. We just had a great display of blooming wildflowers and the really nice clear view of Mount Hood. And to my complete surprise, my drone was able to pick up the view of Mount Adams over the hills. And what a fantastic view we had. And of course, the view overlooking the Columbia River. Just a fantastic day. Mountains, wildflowers, river, creek. All right, guys, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel because I want to take you to see even more beautiful parts of the Pacific Northwest. So, till next adventure, take care.